Hey guys, look at me. I have gloves on. I can't stop the video, and I'm gonna stop inside. This is not kind of nice. Let's go right here. Sure. See my boots. It's frozen. My own cousin's here. It is her first guest. Her first guest here, and it's kind of cool. This is my new house. I've been living in my other house for 10 years. Yep. See? We played snow here yesterday, Saturday.